Okay, so I just finished preparing Sammy and Wasabi's breakfast. I still have to add the classic egg food, and I gotta change their water and do all that fun stuff. Finished making Sammy and Wasabi's breakfast. We're gonna go in here. Hi! Hi! What are you doing? You ready for breakfast? Hi, Wasabi. What are you doing? Huh? Now, they don't like to eat their breakfast if I don't leave them in their cage in the morning. Nummy nummy? Nummy nummy. I'm trying to get them to repeat it. This is Sammy. She's mommy's baby. Come here. Want nummy nummy? Nummy nummy. Is that good stuff? Wasabi doesn't generally like fingers. He is a little moody sometimes, but he's our boy, and we love him, don't we? This is Sammy. She is nitpicky and very lovey right now. Okay, okay. It's Mama's boy. Why are you being so mean? Why? What happened? What are you doing? We got Sammy from a pet store, and she was not very friendly when we first got her. She would let us hold her, but she was very aggressive over her cage. But my daughter, just one day I go in there and all of a sudden she reaches in and just pulls her out. And I said, "What did you do?" And she said, "I put my face in first." Okay. What's that got to do with it? She's like, "I don't know. I just put my face in first." And she lets me get her. You gotta be nice. Yeah. So we all started putting our face in first. Well, us girls, my husband really doesn't have anything to do with them, but putting our face in first, and then she would step right up. So now she's no longer cage aggressive. We can get her out whenever. Wasabi can be cage aggressive unless the door's open, and then he wants to come out. So he is generally very nice to, hey. You have to be nice to each other. You hear me? Give me a kiss. No, that's not what I want. I don't want that kind of behavior. Girl, you better get out of here. Come on. Good boy. Who's my good boy? Huh? Who's that good boy? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Sammy found the corn. Sammy found the corn. Look at her. She found the corn. It's her favorite. You want me? Come on. Hey, come here. Come on. Wasabi, hey, I'm talking to you, mister. He acts like a brat, don't you? This is my bird room. We built this out of PVC pipe, you can tell. Here's an extra cage for outside. We built the swing with PVC pipe, and that is a lemon tree, and it will go right back outside this summer, or this upcoming summer, in for the winter. Here is Wasabi's cage. His setup. If I open the door, he'll hop back out, and I really want them to eat their breakfast. And, well, lunch, I guess. Need to clean his little hut. But here are their cages. And she started laying eggs, so that's why the box was in there. They kept hitting the bottom and breaking, and it was getting really gross. She's got lots of cuddle bones. So, and they get fresh food and stuff every day. And then here is storage, newspaper, toys, pellets, fruits, and more fruits, millet, more cuddle bone. We keep a small radio in here, so the get some noise throughout the day. And then we made this with a coat hanger and some little cat toys on the ceiling. And then we made this as well. Just little extra baby toys, some beads. I used sisal rope. They don't really get up here much, but they did love it the first few times they were on it, and it is new, so maybe they'll start to love it. I keep a filter in here. It gets very dusty. And then that is full of shavings, like wood shavings that I need to get rid of. We had hamsters and our last one sadly passed away, so I'm going to use that for the giant bags of bird food that I plan to get very soon. I'm going to buy it in the giant bags. Like, I think it's like a 20-pound bag. Yeah, that's my bird room. There's a giant closet right here, but we stick everything in there, so it's not just for the birds. Hello, what you doing, bud? You still mad at me because I cleaned your ears earlier? Are you still mad? Huh? Okay. And that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.